most of you who are watching this already know who Greg is. So, I want to take the chance of making a psychological evaluation on him. In the past couple of days I have heard a lot of interesting theories regarding Greg. Before I continue, I want to make it clear that I do not know him and have only seen about a dozen of his videos. However, when watching his videos, two things came to mind. He is a man who is clearly trying to make money. We all seem to have this knowledge already. But the not so obvious thing I noticed is this: he is a man trying to protect himself. How is this so? First, let us start with his marriage. Seemingly overnight he goes from happily married to miserably divorced. When watching several of his videos in which he speaks of this, I noted facial expressions and eye movements that indicated to me that he still loves his ex-wife and is very unhappy about how things went in their marriage. Because his real-life relationships fall apart, he turns to YouTube. In the realm of cyberspace, he can hold relationships without the fear of being hurt. Those who hate him online do not matter because they cannot hurt him in person. However, he files DMCA reports on most of these people because it is him doing what he cannot do in person. He is fighting back against what he perceives to be somebody who wants to harm him emotionally. Keep in mind, I am speaking from an emotional and psychological standpoint. Furthermore, in no way am I justifying or defending his actions in any way. So, let me continue. I want to address the concept of him being a pedophile. This is a claim that derives from his audience being of such a young age. In reality, there is a psychological explanation for this as well. You see, teens are easily entertained and will watch just about anything. You give them blood, murder, sex and chances, or they are going to love you. You give them something that we, older adults, perceive as very stupid, you win them over still. Greg is a very interesting person in the psychological stance. However, due to time, I will address other issues regarding him later or as questions come up.